What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to get any brand logotype into your Canva directly without needs of downloading or finding files on Google, without needs of worrying with trademarks or other problems like this, all into high resolution. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, okay? Find the design into the size that you need, review the left sidebar of menus, and go to apps. Once on apps, into the search field, you're gonna type brand fit, or you can go to the trending apps like this, and here's the guy that I'm looking for. Brand fetch, okay? This guy right here. Click on open, and you can search for brands or URLs. For example, Visual Modo. To get the brand verified icon, you can open the brand fetch and try to verify your logo, to upload your logo files. You can upload colors and background image as well, okay? So let me go, for example, for Telegram. We have the Telegram logo types. Most of them can be customized, for example, in colors, in the case that you want, for example, because they are vectors, or you can check the colors and some image that can be relevant for your design or not, okay? Up to you. What else can be done? We can search for every single company. For example, Yelp. You can claim the Yelp profile. In the case that you are the site owners, you can claim the profile directly on the brand fetch website, okay? Let me show you the site. Here we have the website online, but you can also access on Canva, okay? Once right here, you can check the brand colors and some brand image, okay? You can search for both brand name or the brand URL. For example, Coca-Cola. And here is some Coca-Cola logo types that, as you can see, it's on very high resolution and can be quite useful for your designs, okay? Exploring colors and, of course, exploring some images from the brand. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps your design process. It helps you to accelerate, to improve your design process, and to keep all on Canva to make it easier for you. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.